One of the big problems with IVF treatment is that it can be so expensive. And it's not just the fact that it costs a lot of money, it's also the fact that patients don't know whether they're going to get pregnant in the first cycle or the second or the third, and these costs can add up. And that's why it's so important that patients keep a close eye on the costs. And there are multiple things you can do to help yourself. For one thing, make sure you go to a clinic which is very transparent about costs, which doesn't have any hidden costs, which will itemize it and tell you exactly how much you're going to pay even before you start, because people can sneak in all kinds of surprises and this can add up to a pretty penny. Equally importantly, you need to be realistic and understand that IVF cycles aren't short affairs, that it may take you 2 or 3 cycles to get pregnant. You need to factor this in well because you need to consider the cost of a baby, which is why it's important to go to a clinic which has a high success rate, which does only blastocyst transfers, and which will freeze your extra embryos for you, because using frozen embryos for getting pregnant helps to reduce the cost considerably. So the rules are simple. You need to ask the right questions if you want to make sure that you get the right answers and you don't get taken for a ride by IVF clinics. Best of luck and feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to help.